Every so often, there's a Linux distro that shows up that doesn't try to look pretty. It just tries to be fast. And the latest CachyOS update, it's the kind of speed upgrade that makes you rethink what your hardware can actually do. For more on this, here is the story.
There's a pattern in the Linux world that repeats every few years. A new distro appears, small, quiet, almost unnoticed, and then suddenly, it starts showing up everywhere. Forums talk about it. Tech sites mention it. People whisper that it might be the next big thing. And right now, that distro is CachyOS. But this isn't a story about hype. It's a story about why CachyOS is getting attention, and what its latest update says about the future of Linux performance. Because CachyOS didn't show up trying to be pretty. It didn't show up trying to look like Windows or macOS. It didn't show up trying to win beginners with a friendly installer or a shiny desktop. CachyOS showed up with one mission: make Linux fast. Ridiculously fast. Faster than people expect. Faster than people think is possible. And that's where this latest update comes in. The developers didn't release a new theme. They didn't redesign the icons. They didn't add a new welcome screen. They went straight for the heart of the system. The kernel, the scheduler, the performance stack. The parts of Linux most people never touch. This update introduced a new performance-tuned kernel built to reduce latency and increase responsiveness. It refined how the CPU handles tasks, making the system feel snappier even on older hardware. It improved GPU handling for AMD, NVIDIA, and Intel graphics. And it updated the CachyOS settings manager, giving users more control over performance profiles without needing to be arch experts. In other words, CachyOS doubled down on what makes it different. While other distros chase polish, CachyOS chases speed. While others focus on user-friendly design, CachyOS focuses on raw performance. While others try to be everything to everyone, CachyOS tries to be the fastest Linux desktop you can run. And that's why people are talking about it. Because in a world where operating systems are becoming heavier, slower, and more controlled, CachyOS is going the opposite direction. It's lightweight. It's optimized. It's transparent. And it gives users control over the parts of the system most distros hide. This update isn't just a patch, it's a statement. A reminder that Linux can still be a playground for performance. A reminder that open source doesn't have to mean slow or bloated. A reminder that digital sovereignty isn't just about privacy. It's also about speed, efficiency, and owning the performance of your machine. CachyOS isn't trying to replace Zorin or Mint or Ubuntu. It's carving out its own lane, a lane for people who want their system to respond instantly, who want their hardware pushed to its limits, who want to feel the difference between good enough and optimized. And whether CachyOS becomes the next big distro or stays a niche powerhouse, this update proves something important. Linux still has room for innovation, room for experimentation, room for distros that don't follow the rules. CachyOS is a reminder that speed matters. Control matters. And performance, real performance, is still worth chasing. And in a world where operating systems keep taking more from the user, CachyOS gives something back. A system that works for you. A system that responds to you. A system that respects your hardware and your choices. That's the story of CachyOS. And this latest update is just the beginning.